Hello and welcome to day 9 of Bedtime Welsh, in which Angharad has mysteriously grown taller than I am. How's that happened? What's going on there? Okay, bunch of hellos to start with. Jack, what a fantastic video. Lovely to meet you and well done. Superb long sentence there. That was really outstanding work. What else have we got going on? Do you remember? Idris is doing well. Yeah, da iawn Idris, well done Idris, and Maddock is off doing something in the background, yeah? Do you want to say, hello Maddock, Maddock, come here, Maddock, pay attention, Maddock. What else we got going on? Carol and Jason and Griff are all doing well, and you like Griff. What do you want to ask about Griff?
What type of dog is he?
What type of dog is he? There's a debate going on here. Is he a Labradoodle or is he a Cockapoo? So we'd love to know the answer to that. And Tilda nailed that long sentence. So well done, Tilda. Oh, and there's a cat for Rebecca. Hope that helps you get well soon, Rebecca. A brief glimpse of cat. And Helena got the long sentence too. So a load of people are getting the long sentences. That's fantastic. So today should feel a little bit like a breather for you. If it doesn't feel like enough work, go back and do yesterday again. Because we're going to start now with I wanted. So when you're talking about yesterday, I wanted. And I wanted is oni isha. So instead of saying dwi isha, you're just changing it to oni isha. Oni isha. So I wanted.
Oni isha.
Oni isha. So how about I wanted to speak.
Oni isio siarad.
Oni isha siarad. I wanted to speak with you.
Oni isio siarad hefo chdi.
Oni isio siarad efo chdi. I wanted to speak Welsh.
Oni isio siarad Cymraeg.
Oni isio siarad Cymraeg. And then last one for today, I wanted to speak Welsh with you.
Oni isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi.
Oni isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi. Da iawn, daliwch ati. Hwyl am y tro.